Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today for a little bit of a turn back in time. This poster I purchased from Fine Woodworking magazine many years ago. And I had it professionally mounted on a piece of cardstock, hoping to build a nice frame for it and put some glass over it and hang it up. Well, here we are all these years later, and it has not gone any further. Well, what you're looking at here is the Studley Tool chest. And H.O. Studley was his name. Now, according to this, it's only 19 and a half inches wide, 39 inches long, and 9.5 inches deep, and there's over 300 tools in it. So, when closed, it is 39 inches. It's that tall. So, from the workbench, it's pretty tall. But it's only 19 inches wide. So about as wide, a little bit wider than the poster itself. This looks like about maybe 1/3 scale. You've got marking gauges, scribe awl. There's a drill bit in here, pair of needle nose pliers, some more marking gauges. It looks like that might be some sort of a ratcheting screwdriver. And there's a screwdriver. All of these chisels, saws. You have two back saws here. One might be a tenon and one might be a crosscut. You've got a bunch of planes here. Back here under this little door, I believe is a number 1 Stanley. You got a hammer, a double square, some smaller hammers. You even got what we used to call a monkey wrench in here. Some other chisels, brads, or awls. All sorts of tools, compasses, dividers. And then there's these little drawers. All these little drawers. I have always been in awe of the Studley tool chest because when you think about it, he put every tool he needed to make this in it. He could close that chest, lock it, carry it with him to another location, and go right to work. Think about that. While we're in our 12 by 24 workshop or our 24 by 48 workshop with tools and wood and everything all over the place. Drill gauges, angle gauges. I think there's even a plumb bob in here somewhere. There's another one of these little monkey wrenches. Adjustable wrenches, I guess we should call them. More squares behind the hammer. Here's an adjustable, remember I showed you the adjustable auger bit? There's one right there. And there's tools. There's a protractor for the square behind everything. There's a vise with an anvil, straight edges. So it looks like you have a jointer plane, a jack plane, and a foreplane, a smoother. Look up H.O. Studley Tool Chest and see if you can find a list of all the tools that are in it. But I've always been amazed by this. And this poster's been up over there for a while, and I've been thinking about talking about it, but I wanted to do that today. And he used only the finest woods. He used walnut. I mean, he used ebony and ivory and possibly holly. I don't know. I don't know if these are ivory buttons or if they're holly. Back then, they could have very well been ivory. All these inlays. I don't know what they were. Amazing. The craftsmanship that went into this. And all the tools he used are right there. Oh, do you think I could get all my tools in a 20 by 40 box? Do you think I could? Don't think so. If you found this interesting, informational, educational, entertaining, give it the old thumbs up, give it the like, and then don't forget to subscribe and share. Share the H.O. Studley Tool Chest story with everyone you know. Walter out.